Once again, I welcome you in my new class from the chapter Constitutional Design. Today we are going to discuss about the constitutional history of Indian Constitution, how a Indian Constitution came into effect and what kind of challenges our prominent leader have faced to making the constitutions. Why I am telling all these things? In the previous lecture, we have discussed about why we need our constitutions. So all of you knows very well that India was under the colonial rule and colonial rule से निकलने के बाद after the independence we also need a constitution to run a nation. So first of all we will discuss about that making of the Indian Constitution, how these things are formulated और हमारे देश का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो किस प्रकार से बना. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट ऑफ द चैप्टर दैट की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस के बिना किसी भी देश की कल्पना करना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मेकिंग ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Before starting this, I would like to tell you that in 1600 century, nearly that some of the colonies came in India just for the business purpose. चाहे हम वो डच की बात करें, फ्रांसीसीज की बात करें, पुर्तगीज की बात करें या हम अन्य किसी की बात करें, they all came. They have just settled down here. They do their business and just went back. But the British East India Company have established their own empire and they have started the various policies of divide and rule and just gradually they have just covered up the entire nation. That time India is not like today's. आज की डेट में आप देखते हैं there are 28 state union territories are there. That time India was divided into the different देसी रियासतें. We can say that the provinces state or the princely state, all these things. What happens, किस तरीके से देश का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आया and what kind of challenges the Indian leader have to face, we will discuss here. First of all, it was not easy to framer of the constitution to do the constitution because of the following reason. As I told you that India was divided into the small desi riyasatein and every desi riyasat have their own interest, have their own demands. So in such situation, the leader of the Constitutional Assembly have faced so many problems. तमाम तरीके की problems थी जो उन्होंने face की. India was a large country which are inhabited by the various diverse community. That India is a various diverse communities are there and every community have their own interest. हर community का ध्यान रखना, उसके interest का ध्यान रखना. So this is very typical. You know that कि there are too much of diversities are found here. We have the Kannada, we have Telugu language, we have Malayalam, we have Punjabi, we have Mumbai, we have Marathi language and all these things. Still we are Indians. तब भी हम Indians हैं. So there is a vast variety of diversity. So in this situation, this is very typical task for the constitutional framer to make the constitutions. India had just become independent from the colonial rule and Indian had experienced the pain and trauma which was related to the partition of the country. If you see the country, India, if you see the result of India, this is the result of the bloody partition in which the many people have lost their life. The country was divided into two segments. One is known as Pakistan and second is known as India. In this situation, this is very typical things for in front of the framer of the Indian Constitution, that how can they make the constitution in a way they can satisfy all the communities of India. किस तरीके से constitution बनाए कि अपनी constitutions की के आधार पर they can satisfy all the communities, those who are residing in India, even them that various type of diversities are found here. So kind of trauma, kind of partitions they have seen, even them they don't stop, they have make a good constitution. We proud of our Indian constitution. The British had drafted the instrument of the accession according to which a princely state were free to decide they were wanted to remain a part of the India or join Pakistan to remain independent. This was treated to the unity of the country. This is very big problem. When the India was independent, the India was divided into the princely and provinces state. The princely state was under the control of the British government and the provinces state were under the some prominent Raja and all these things. The British government have given the power to the princely state. Either they want to mix with the Indian government or with the Pakistan. This is very big problem that time. Here, being a responsible teacher, I would like to give the credit to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Those who just include all the Desi Riyasate in India, except Junagadh, except Hyderabad, except Jammu and Kashmir. This is not in your syllabus, but that time India was divided into 570, more than 570 Desi Riyasate, and the British government have given the right to the princely state that they are free to join with the Pakistan or with the Indians. So, in front of that, this is very worst situation in front of the Indian leaders, that how can they communicate, how they can convince all the princely state so that they can easily and happily join with India. So this was the conditions. The farmer of the constitution also anxieties about the present and the future of the country. As you know that कि भारत एक agriculture देश था, भारत एक कृषि प्रधान देश था. Most of the people are engaged in the agriculture sector. They were also worrying about their future. कि हमारा future किस प्रकार से होगा. They were also worrying about कि किस तरीके से हम लोग sacrifice करेंगे, किस तरीके से हम लोग अपनी life को settle down करेंगे. So while making the Indian constitution, the framer of the Indian constitution have faced so many problems. Even them, they have performed, they have made a good constitution in which the interest of all communities, interest of all majorities, interest of all minorities try to be included, and they just make a Bharat ka Samvidhan. Our constitution informally began with the take shape of the during the later of the British rule in 1928. Motilal Nehru and the 8 other leaders drafted the Constitution of the People. 1931 Karachi session Indian National Congress discuss took place the Constitution which would frame the country. A leader agreed to universal adult franchise, protection of the right of the minorities and right of equality granted to the citizen. 1928 का मैं जिक्र करना चाहूँगा. 1928 that they have just take the initiative to make the constitution, and in the Karachi session Indian National Congress का जो कराची सेशन था उसमें उन्होंने इसको implement किया, and whatever the constitution they have framed, they have include all the universal adult franchises, protection of the rights of the minorities, right of equality granted to all the citizen. तमाम तरीके के राइट माइनॉरिटीज के इंटरेस्ट को ध्यान में रखा गया और साथ ही साथ यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज को इंक्लूड किया गया. यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज मींस द पर्सन दोज हु हैव कंप्लीट देयर 18 ईयर एज हैव द राइट टू कास्ट देयर वोट. दिस वाज द प्रोविजन have been given by the Motilal Nehru and other prominent leader, and all these provisions they have put in the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress in 1931. Holding a election 1937 part of the British and the passing the various act of the government helped the Indian expression gain experience. Drew the inspiration of the American Revolution, French Revolution, practice of the Parliament democracy. Great Britain had also constituted the other countries. While making the constitution, I would like to tell you, the Indian constitution is not the vision of the Indian leader. It is a vision of the Indian leader, but the Indian leader also take the help of the different nation constitution. They have take the help of the Canada constitution, they have take the help of the USA constitution, they have take the help of UK constitution, they have take the help of Ireland constitution, they have take the help of the Russian constitution, and they have collect all the good provisions and try to include in the constitution. और इस constitution में उन्होंने include करने का प्रयास किया. They have just collect all the good things, तमाम good things उन्होंने collect किया. and they think about the diversity of India, they think about the interest of the majorities, they think about the minorities of the Indian community, and उन सबको मिला करके they have just make a set of rule which is known as the constitutions of India. Now the point is that कि who were the prominent leader, those who just make this constitutions, और किस तरीके से constitution body बनी उसके बारे में एक बार हम बता देते हैं. The Constitutional Assembly was body elected representative drafted the frame the constitution. Election of the Constitutional Assembly was held in 1946 and the filling in December 1946. 1946, this was the initiative year when the Constitutional Assembly was drafted. जब हमारे देश के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहली असेंबली बनी 1946 में. 1946 making of the drafting committee, and they have take 2 year 11 month and 18 days to complete the constitution, and in 26 November 1949 our constitutions are completed. 1946 में सबसे पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल असेंबली बनी जिसमें असेंबली में डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल असेंबली के प्रेसिडेंट थे, एंड डॉक्टर B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee, and this committee take the 2 year 11 month and 18 days to complete the constitutions, and on 26 November 1949 they have completed the constitution. That time India got declared as an independent, but in 26 January 1950 our constitution was came into force. Means 1950 में 26 जनवरी 1950 को देश का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इफेक्ट में आया. These are things are the mention here that the Constitutional Assembly adopted the constitution in 26 January 1949 and came into effect in 26 January 1950. We celebrate 26 January as a Republic Day every year because on 26 January 1950 we adopted the Indian Constitution. That's why we celebrate 26 January as a Republic Day. So Indian Constitution, 2 years 11 month 18 days. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of drafting committee, Constitutional Assembly, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. They have took 2 year 11th month and 18 days, and on 26 November 1949 the constitution was completed, and on 26 January 1950 it was came into effect, and on 26 January every year we celebrate as a Independence Day. One more thing I would like to add on, to make the constitution, पूरे के पूरे संविधान को बनने में लगभग 3 करोड़ रुपए का खर्चा आया, and this is the Indian Constitution which include so many provisions which the member of the Constitutional Assembly have taken from Russia, have taken from Ireland, have taken from USA, UK, Canada. जहां भी किसी भी देश के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की कुछ अच्छी चीजें मिली, दे ट्राई टू इंक्लूड इन देयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड नाउ आज हमारे देश का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन is considered the best constitution in the world. So thank you very much for this lecture. All the best.